What's up, my boys? Today it is traveling day and we are in Lisbon airport. But it's more than just a normal travel day today because somebody has his birthday today.
I used to love birthdays, but now it's like 1 year closer to death every year. I'm approaching a midlife crisis, but it helps that we're going to Madeira today. I can't wait to show ourselves and you guys 7 days of exploration.
We are currently waiting to board on our flight.
Everybody is standing in line because people are idiots.
We have 1.5 hours flight to Madeira Island. And Madeira Island is not all we're gonna explore today. Today it's about getting a feeling of what is Funchal, where we are staying the first night.
2 nights actually, so it's my birthday today. It's all about pampering me, right? But basically take it slow and get a sense of Funchal and Madeira.
Lisbon.
Esteja ligado, tenha o cinto de segurança apertado. Please watch out to fasten, adjust and open your seatbelt. Keep your seatbelt fastened.
So one thing that Madeira Airport is famous for is its landings. It's quite, it can be quite daunting to land there, at least as a passenger. I wonder if there's a strong crosswind today, because if there is, it's like...
I am a little bit scared. Smooth as a pastel.
That was not so bad.
Oh, that was fine.
That's pretty. People are clapping, then you know that we're on a Shada vacation island. check it out, boy!
That is our rental car. And welcome to Madeira Island, the island of the forest, or the wood. That is the translation from Portuguese to English.
Are we ready to go, Amalia?
We are ready as a fly, or whatever that means.
Is it Rio? Is it Lisbon?
No, it's Madeira, and it's super windy, but we are at Cristo Rei in West Temple, which was actually done before the one in Brazil. Did you know that?
Hey Chewbacca, come back! Chewbacca!
I think we should say bye to Jesus.
Because as you saw, there is a city over there, and that's Funchal. That's where we're going now, and hopefully it's a little less windy there.
Let's try.
We will be driving with the top down, no matter if it's raining.
Do you want to see how we live? Come on. We are staying in this Airbnb and it's located in the buttercup of this Funchal city. We're actually in the old town and this is where the magic happens. This is the dining room and it looks like you're gonna have a hot roast tonight. That's me on the dining table, you know? And if Jon doesn't take care of me how he is supposed to, and if he's not nice, this is his bed.
Hey, it's my birthday.
And then my bed is over here.
It's my birthday, maybe.
It's a little rough, but it's nice.
That's what she said.
No, don't do that on camera.
Should we go, Amelia? First order of business is finding food, and this is literally around the corner that we agreed with all these restaurants. We don't know which one is good because for tomorrow we're gonna do the food tour. So just something quick and tasty. Should we just do the tombola?
Yeah.
We literally sat down the first and the best place we found, and this place is called Mozart. It's not a typical Portuguese place, but it's nice with a change of pace.
It's risotto time and carpaccio time, and we are gonna share it, and it just smells so wonderful. I can't wait to dig in.
What happened here?
So the food here was so delicious that we couldn't help ourselves, so we had to order a dessert, and we ordered a very typical dessert from Madeira, and that is passion fruit souffle. And in the company of the dessert, we are gonna have sweet Madeiran wine. This wine was considered some of the most fine wine that you could get in the 18th century.
By the way, this is turning out to be a very good birthday party. Thank you, Amelia. You always make it special. It's port wine. It's port wine. I like it. I like it. What? Uh-oh! Muito obrigado. Do the spin move. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, you sexy moves, sir. Slide it open. Woo! Woo! Oh, happy day.
You like it?
I love passion. It's a passion of mine.
This world need not hurt no more. Sorry world, even though I love you so, there is no one to turn to, and no one to blame for the blood of American have scandalized our name. No word. Don't you sit and cry.
Tony,
Cheers and happy birthday.
obrigado.
De nada.
Walking through the streets here of the old town is absolutely wonderful. I am very positively surprised by Funchal. It has a lot more charm than I anticipated. I did not know this, and like from all the videos we've seen on YouTube, I haven't seen these old streets. What do you think? What do you have any?
It's kind of different to what I thought it would look like here in Funchal, because I had this idea of like the typical island architecture with the white buildings, a little bit like Ediseda. But then you come here and it could just have been Trastevere in Rome. It's just so beautiful, and there are so many different feelings here and so many different atmospheres here that I did not expect to get. And as Jon said, it doesn't seem like a hotspot for tourists. It has maintained its charm.
And I mean, that is something I did not expect, because Madeira is a vacation island. The airplanes you see coming here is like, jet to party time. It's people who bought a package vacation. They come here, everything is planned out for them, and maybe that's why they're not here in Funchal. I don't know. But so far I made it. Cheers to this.
Cheers and happy birthday. We do often say that Portugal has everything in the world within a very little area. But here in Madeira I feel like it's even more extreme. It's like the old town here is a combination of Trastevere in Rome and then maybe Cuba. It's like the Italian charm with the Cubana feel It's just so different.
Okay, so what is going on now is that we are gonna take one of these infamous cable cars up to the top, because you can take it all the way up and then there is a marvelous view, we've heard.
The thing is that a cable car, you can actually drive even though you are tipsy, so it's perfect for us, huh?
Yeah, because that gin...
Privacy, yo.
Close. So we paid 16 euros per person for a round trip, and that sort of bums me out because that is ridiculous. We could take a taxi
Twice.
all the way up there probably and back for the same price of one. But I guess you get the experience and the adventure out of this. And
So if you don't have a drone, this is human droning.
yeah, so we're going all the way up to the top, and then we'll show you what presents itself.
Jo, det gider jeg ikke. Stop. Ja, det gider jeg ikke. Skat. Jon, for helvede.
Hvad mener du?
Sæt dig. Sæt dig ned. Jeg gider ikke. Ej, ved du hvad, du kan fandme ikke være det bekendt. Du kan fandme ikke være det bekendt.
Are you afraid?
Ja, jeg kan ikke lide sådan nogle kabelkars her. Jeg kan ikke lide at gå på din fucking flade røv, hva'?
Er du seriøst bange for det her?
Kan du ikke mærke, hvordan vinden hiver i den?
Nej.
Jon, fuck nu af med dig. Ja, det er jeg fortjent.
I think Funchal is the first city I've been to, like a big city that is located on a cliff. It's so surreal to look at it from the drone perspective, where you just see a dense city up on a hillside. But it's really far down here. If something happens, we're toast.
Fuck nu dig. Jeg gider ikke det der. Nu stopper du. Det er ikke sjovt.
Skat, de her stålveje her, de kan bære dig selv i juletiden.
Ja, det er godt. Prøv du bare at være sjov.
Basically, you take the cable car up here, and then you can pay extra to get into this garden that is apparently very beautiful. But the cheap bastard in me comes up because they want another 16 euros per person to get into the garden. We just paid 32 to take the cable car up. We could have taken a limousine up here. I mean, the view is good, but should we just get some more wine? Because it's my birthday. I decide I'd rather spend 30 euros on gin and tonic.
I would say that if you're not interested in going in the botanical garden, I don't think you should go here.
There is this charming place down here where they have Superbox sponsored plastic chairs. This is the most perfect, how do you call this?
A plant?
No, what's the name of it?
Leaf? Eine?
Beine, yeah. It's like James Cameron designed this for Avatar. Let's go, have a drink. For change. Stunning views of the cable cars. Public service, this is mildly overrated
Unless you're going to the garden.
So?
Hello.
To infinity and beyond!
Hvorfor er det, de lige... YouTube.
Which YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Do you know YouTube?
I'm gonna get arrested. They're looking for me.
Do you have YouTube on your phone?
Yes.
This one. We live in Lisbon.
I live in Lisbon.
Yeah. We're not tourists. We're not tourists. Prazer em conhecer, Ricardo. Ciao. So you know Cristiano Ronaldo is from Funchal, Madeira. Even the airport is named by him. And he got a statue here as well. Pretty impressive what the man has accomplished.
We might be late for the flower festival, but there are still plenty of flowers. Look at the sky. Remember this flower we have at home?
Yes.
This fruit comes from that flower and it tastes insane.
Really?
Yeah.
It's like a tutti frutti.
Feed me. Feed me.
Oh my god.
That's my life. Like a
Wow.
It's so good.
It's like a cocktail smoothie. But this is 20 euros.
No, this one is about 10. This one is half a kilo.
Ah, so it's per kilo. Yeah.
Okay, so if you're wondering what's up with the iPhone, we just wanted to let you know that it's my birthday, in case you're wondering. So we don't want to film all day. It's about me today. This is a little treat of what's coming in the next video, because we're doing a food tour tomorrow. But we'll of course include the surrounding, because Funchal is absolutely it's really amazing.
2 days is definitely not enough to explore this city. We need to come back for a full week just exploring everything.
Honestly, it's like a Tivoli, Funchal. It's almost too perfect. I don't regret we didn't go to the park on the top.
This is much better. Well, we don't know, but I mean, why would you pay to get into a garden when you have this garden? I am in love with this place. But I mean, I think for today it's time to end the vlog, because we have dinner in 15 minutes and we're not even there. And it's your birthday, so
I love you.
I love you.
Thank you for watching this birthday vlog. I feel so special that I have this audience to watch me having birthday. Bye guys.
Atil loco. Ciao ciao.
Till Lego.